Greetings and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel again. It's me, of course, Light Liger, the crypto enthusiast, and today we're gonna be talking about cryptojacking and this new alternative to that I found called JSECoin, which is this JavaScript-based ambient coin that is an ERC20 token. So most people right now are using services such as CoinHive or MinerAlt, which you see on the screen, to pretty much like cryptojack people's computers with or without consent and getting some Monero usually in return. And this is the one that I've been using the last almost a month now. MinerAlt supports 3 Cryptonite algorithm coins: ETN, Sumo, and XMR. And, you know, it's not a lot of money. We're talking about like a couple of cents per day. And we're talking about a site that is making 2,000 to 3,000 viewers per day, unique viewers. And that is not a lot of money. That is less than ads. That is so little money. But a lot of people are doing it still, even though the revenue is very low. I mean, CoinHive, it is taking 30% cut of those earnings, and MinerAlt is the best option right now out of these choices, but even that is paying really poorly. Okay, and this is not sustainable because people will leave the site if their computers are used in such a heavy manner. So came to be this new coin called JSECoin, which is a JavaScript ambient cryptocurrency, and as I said, it's an ERC20 token, and I made over 5,000 JSC coins right now on the same website, by the way. And this is the 90-day. Well, we're actually using this 31 days, okay, of money. And the JSC coin, as I said, 5,000. And this we're talking about almost the same amount of days with that other cryptojacking service. And the JSC coin is right now valued at 0.003. And when we put the calculator here, 0.00320, let's put that as a, well, let's put it to actually 3 because it was something like that before the values dropped. And you multiply that with 5,000. That was 5,200. That's $16. That I made 1 month with one website. That's a pretty good number, okay? I'm going to tell you that. And I made more than this because the coin was valued higher then. And this is the future. This is the cryptojacking future. In terms of valuation, JSC coin is a very lucrative plan. And also, there will be an advertising system coming in future that will give you advertisements and that will give you a mining bonus. And it's also whitelisted on multiple these malware scanners. It's actually whitelisted there, so your site won't get blacklisted or from Google, or it won't get a malware warning for using JSC coin on the site. It only works with consent. So if you see, once you enter the site, it asks you for the consent and then it will mine. And it is very powerful when we're talking about also that not everybody opt in on the people and still made that much out of money in a monthly basis. So this is a very ludicrous coin right now, and currently it's a bit limited on where it is actually the merchants, and there are options to become advertiser, and the advertising service is not still out fully, so it's still in kind of a beta stage. And you can also mine this coin with your own browser. I don't know how fast it is. It's still decent, but you get more with your website, obviously. And it's really good. I'm not gonna lie, it's all right now in LA token and IDEX currently, and even though the value has gone down with this new Bitcoin crash, this is a lot more better money that you can make with your website versus doing that cryptojacking. So if you're using cryptojacking, you might want to think twice. Don't use that because you can make a lot more money with this JSC. It's really easy to use. Just one JavaScript to your site. It will do this sort of it's not a pop under, it's not a pop-up layer either, pop-up screen. it's just this like small bar that will come like right in here, and you just give the yes or no, and it's using like 5 or 10% of like unused computing power, so it's not like very heavy on the site either for the users, and people don't have to consent to it. And there's not a way that you can like make it hidden also, so it's very honest in that way, because minor alt, which I talked about earlier, or a coin hive, you have the option to give consent or not to give consent. And that's pretty much what I have to say about JSECoin. I think there's a lot of value in this project. Something that I always think about when I think about good coins is something that it has to be a purpose to also buy it and also get it. So we know that, okay, why we get it, because it's money. And why do you need it? Well, advertisers need to buy JSECoin so they can advertise through the JSE system. And I also think it kind of blocks ad blocks as well, or something like that. So I don't know what are the numbers that you're going to be making with your website once the advertisements come up, and I think that's going to be a lot of money, and this is going to be very lucrative, and I think the value of the coin might go up, I think higher than this at least than right now, and it's going to be very profitable. So I'm talking about, for my website, it's going to be probably $20 a month. So it's been incredibly good. I'm very surprised the valuation right now. So if you're interested in trying JSECoin out, well, go ahead and use my referral link down below. And if you have any questions about JSECoin, I'm very happy to answer them on the comment section below as well. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.